Hello guys, let me show you how to earn free BFG token every hour, and you can earn up to $300 worth of BFG token. So back here on CoinMarketCap, this is the price, right? One BFG token is equivalent to 1 cent, right? So imagine having up to $100 or $300 worth of this, it will definitely amount to something, right? So I'm leaving you a link in the description box, not really in the description box, on the Telegram channel, where the link to the Telegram channel will be in the description box of the video. So when you click on it, you will get yourself to the registration link. But before then, let's take a look at the different analysis of this token. It's already trading. As you can see, it's built on Binance Smart Chain, and this is the total supply, liquidity, and every other thing you need to know, right? So that's the chart. If you want to take a look at the market, I'm very sure we'll find the different markets down here. So it's currently trading on ApeSwap, PancakeSwap, BSwap, PancakeSwap V2, and stuff, right? So you can actually sell it upon earning it. That's why I'm showing you all of that, right? So let's go to the browser. From the staples of crypto's faucets comes a new one, another one in DJ Khaled's voice, and this one is the free BFG token. Have I been calling this BFG BGF all along? Well, that's the correct symbol though. Token symbol is BFG. Yes, so it says you can win up to $300 worth of BFG tokens every hour. Instant withdrawals is very low minimum threshold. Get 50% of what your referrals make, 100% free charge. Yes, this is not an investment platform. All you have to do is come here and earn without investment and withdraw to your wallet. So here is the login page, but what you should look for is the registration page. So you just hit the menu if it does not show up there already. So you hit the register button. So this is the registration form. So here you require to input an email address, choose a password, repeat the same password. That's all the information you need, and then you hit on register. Upon doing that, a registration link will be sent to your provided email address. So you will click on the verification link in the mailbox. That's to just prove that you don't have the email, and of course you're human, and then you can start using the platform, right? So it says because the platform is new, there are so far 10,502 registered users, and this is the number of games that have been played, and this is the tokens that have been won by users and people who have already started withdrawing already, right? So that's that about that. So let's log in. Right, so this is my homepage, and as I told you, you have to come here after every 1 hour, and as you can see, I can roll one time. So here is capture to prove that I'm actually human. All right, so hedgehog surrounded by flowers, this, and verify. Yes, so it's rolling, and this is what I've earned according to my lucky number. So this is the table according to how you're going to get paid. If your lucky number is between 0 to this, so definitely mine is within that range, and I got this. So if you're able to get 10,000 as your lucky number, that means you'll be rewarded with 21,907 BFG tokens, which is equivalent to $300 at the current market rate, right? So that's it. I've used other sites of this platform. I haven't attained the withdrawal threshold for BFG yet, but even yesterday I made withdrawals from 3 different sites from Crypto's Faucet, right? So Crypto's Faucet is the one controlling all of this site, and they have up to 13, right? So let me show you their Twitter page before we close this video. When you hit the menu here, you will find how to earn more. Here you can participate in surveys, referral program. You heard when they say you get 50% commission on whatever it is that your referrals are earning. If you have any questions, you find the frequently asked questions there. To add your wallet and other settings, you use the settings here. You find your stats, withdraw. If you have withdrawal history, this is where you find your history. The withdraw button is of course here, so let's click on it to see the minimum withdrawal threshold. 100 BFG is the minimum withdrawal threshold, okay, and the network is BP20, right? So if you have any problem, you watch a video here to get more information, right? So the game is probably fair. You can just find a way around the platform. It's very easy, just like every other Crypto's Faucet site. And if you're not using any one of these sites, I will leave my links in the Telegram channel, because YouTube is very strict about links in YouTube description box. So I'll be doing more links on Telegram channel than in the YouTube description box, okay? So I hope you guys understand. You must have noticed my absence lately, so it's one of those things, right? So kindly understand with me. So it's that easy, right? So you go check it out, sign up, and start earning. Thanks so much, and have a wonderful moment. Bye bye.